Good morning and welcome to our travel vlog. We're coming at London Heathrow. We stayed at Premier Inn. Mind the mess. When I have a shower in these ones, I always get it loads of flooded on the floor so I've had to put a towel down. But this is the bedroom. Comes with a little fridge here with complimentary water as well, and coffee and some nice chocolate. We had a runway view, and I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro. Let's close the cover, but look at that. So I've managed to sit down, watch a few planes come on, take a few pictures, and I am here with Lucy.
Hi.
How you feeling today, Luce?
All good, can't wait to get there now.
Yeah. We've chosen a hotel because it's nice and close to the airport, and we'll take you along with us. So we've just checked out, and now we're off to the terminal, and just outside Premier Inn is this undercover gangway. So we're just going to go through here to the terminal. Yeah, it was a good night's stay, to be honest. It was good sleep, good room. Definitely stay here again. Oh, hello, Luce.
Hello.
So tickets from Terminal 4 to Terminal 3 are free. Just got to grab them from the machine.
And don't throw it away.
And don't throw it away, you'll need it on the other end.
Smoking or drinking is not permitted in the station or on any train.
Heathrow Terminal 4, that's where we are.
Yeah.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rosie and I'm your flight service manager on today's flight.
everybody, welcome to Animal Kingdom. So it's our first day, well, it's travel day yesterday. We were going to go out, but we were absolutely shattered. So we stayed in, staying at Holiday Inn, Lake Buena Vista. We'll show you a tour of that a bit later. A really, really nice place. Instead of the shuttles today, we actually got a taxi. It cost £10, 10 quid. And it took 10 minutes to get here, which is great. But now, we're now in Animal Kingdom. We've got our Magic Band Plus. And it was so easy to connect this to the Disney app. All you do is place the actual Magic Band itself towards your phone, and it scans it, and you're done. Fantastic. So we're going to show you a little of Animal Kingdom today.
First, we got a visitor. My mum has now joined us on our trip for a second visit to Disney.
So it's our second visit. It's our fifth, I think.
Fifth, sixth,
I think it's fifth. I mean, I came when I was a kid in 1995, and I can tell you it's a lot different back then, but I loved it. But yeah, so we're waiting to go and get some photos done by the Tree of Life. And
we'll put that picture up now.
But we'll take you around Animal Kingdom for our day out. And I'll tell you what, we're loving it. It's lovely and warm. It's going to get to about 32, 33 degrees. So the British people are going to start melting. But we've got it. So, let's carry on.
So here we are first. Oh, Larry the Lizard.
Come on,
Got to stop for Larry the Lizard. Anyway, we are queuing for our first ride of the day, which is Flight of Passage.
And we've lost another.
And we've already lost my mum somewhere.
She's a tracker. So the queue time said 60 minutes. And that was at 10:55.
10:55, 60-minute wait. We've got our drinks ready, and let's see how long the queue actually is. So we've just come off Flight Passage. That is amazing. I love that ride.
Yeah, it was amazing.
How did you find it?
I loved every bit of it. Every bit of it. It took 55 minutes to get from getting in the queue to actually getting on the banshee. So that's not bad.
Mum, first time on Flight of Passage. How was it for you?
Yeah, it was amazing. The only thing for me was it started to make me a bit trouble sick with the speed of it. But yeah, it was amazing.
Did you do it again?
Yes, definitely.
And based off of size, the little one coming up on the right is probably somewhere between 4 and 6 months old. Beautiful views of giraffe in the area out to the right. The gray animals are part of a group of wildebeest. I say part of a group because wildebeest are one of the largest migrations in the world. Usually hundreds of thousands are in a single grouping. There can be as many as 1.5 million in one migration.
Okay, so Florida is having a heat wave at the minute, and I love the heat. But it's hot. Like the real feel, I think it's probably about 38 degrees. That's centigrade. I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit, but I'll have a look. But today I've got a pin. Not sure if you can see it very well.
If not, we'll include a picture.
Yeah. I saw it and I was like, I gotta have it. Now we've been here since about 9:30 in the morning, so we're gonna have an early finish and we're gonna start heading back and maybe get in the pool, and I'll probably take you around where we're staying. It's a really nice place. It's literally like 10 minutes away from all the parks, so you can't get any better. It's off resort, which is for us even better because we're not stuck in one place, but everyone's got their own choices. But yeah, we'll see.
It's got a lot of options as well nearby, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's got loads of options. I went to Walgreens this morning. It was a 6-minute walk. Got a lot of stuff that I needed. And there's a Wendy's close by. There's loads of restaurants that are walking distance, which is really good for here. But yeah, we'll speak to you soon. But that's
see you at the hotel.
Yeah, we'll see you at the hotel. That's the end of our Animal Kingdom day because it is hot.
And we'll include a few photos.
Yeah, we'll
as
include
well.
some photos.